How to place an order on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to place an order on Temu, open the Temu application on your device firstly. You will be led to the home page of Temu. Here, firstly make sure you are logged in. Now go ahead and select an item that you want to purchase and tap on that. Now go ahead and select the color and the size of the item and the quantity of the item you have selected, and now tap on the Add to Cart option. Now go ahead and tap on your cart. Here proceed to check out by selecting and deselecting the items from your cart and then tap on the checkout button. In the interface that you will be led to, firstly make sure you have entered your shipping address, and now select your shipping method and then select your payment method. Now tap on the Submit Order button. You will now be asked to enter your card number, your card's expiration date, and the CVV of your card. So go ahead and enter all these details and tap on the Submit Order option. And this is how you can place an order on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.